Hey everyone, I'm Aria. Welcome back to the SmythOS November Roundup. This month was absolutely packed with new features, meaningful improvements, and critical bug fixes that are making building with SmythOS smoother and more powerful than ever. Let's dive into what's new. November brought some exciting new functionality to the platform. We introduced Clipboard-Based attachment support for chat and chatbot, meaning you can now paste images and files directly from your clipboard without extra clicks. Just copy and paste. It's that simple. File uploads are streamlined, intuitive, and work seamlessly across both chat and chatbot environments. And here's something developers will love. We added expandable options to both text and code editors. Whether you're writing complex logic or debugging code, you can now expand your editor to get a better view. It's a small feature with big productivity benefits. But the highlight for our developer community? We now have OpenTelemetry support in the SmythOS SDK. This means you can initialize telemetry at the start of your application and automatically record every action performed by your agents. With OpenTelemetry, you get comprehensive observability, tracking traces, metrics, and detailed logs of agent behavior. Initialize it once, and all your agent actions are recorded and exported for analysis. It's a game changer for monitoring and debugging production agents. November was truly about refining the user experience across the board. We delivered 10 significant improvements. We updated the default Claude agent from the deprecated 3.7 model to Claude Haiku 4.5, giving you access to a more stable and supported model with better performance. You can now run Weaver in the background, giving you the freedom to multitask while it operates. We've redesigned the test sidebar with responsive embodiment tabs and an overflow menu, keeping everything organized and scalable. The debugging flow is now smarter. Inactive components are disabled during debug sessions, and active components get highlighted with step icons so you can focus on what matters. We've added an LLM model selection dropdown to the chat interface, letting you dynamically switch between different models in real time and compare their strengths. Voice embodiment is now integrated directly in the test sidebar. No more context switching between tabs, error messaging got a major polish. When you stop content generation, you'll now see generation interrupted by user instead of technical jargon. The collapsed sidebar navigation now has a clearer visual highlight for the active page. Navigation links now open in new tabs, so you never lose unsaved work. And visually, we've updated the entire application to use a modern sans serif font, giving SmythOS a fresh and professional look. The custom model modal now features a collapsible advanced settings section, keeping your primary fields visible while tucking away advanced options. On the stability front, we resolved one critical issue. We squashed a bug preventing the API call component from extracting data from JSON responses with special character keys like @context and @type. If you're working with JSON LD formatted data or vendor-specific APIs, this fix opens up new possibilities. That's November Roundup. A month of meaningful progress, from new features that boost productivity to stability improvements that let you build with confidence. And with OpenTelemetry integration, you now have enterprise-grade observability built right into the SDK. Keep building amazing things with SmythOS. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for what's coming next.